Johnny, the little boy, loved toys. More than anything, he loved his brand new, bright red truck. It had a working horn, a rumbling engine noise, and a giant scoop that could dig anything. But Johnny had a problem. He didn't like to share. One sunny afternoon, Johnny was playing in the sandbox with his truck when two fuzzy puppies with big round eyes and fluffy tails approached him. "Hi," squawked one. "Can we play with your truck?" Johnny scolded. "No, it's mine," he declared, holding the truck tight. The puppies, Pip and Squawk, looked sad. They had never seen such a cool truck before. Suddenly, a giant blue butterfly landed next to him. "What's wrong, little ones?" It fluttered its wings gently. Pip and Squawk explained about the truck and Johnny's refusal to share. The butterfly smiled. "Maybe you can show him how fun sharing can be." Pip and Squawk nodded excitedly. Pip climbed into the truck's bed, pretending to be a passenger. Squawk grabbed a twig and pretended to be a driver, steering the truck with a determination. "Squawk," Johnny watched, surprised. They were having so much fun. Slowly, a smile spread across Johnny's face. He lowered the truck and let Pip and Squawk take turns driving it in the sand. They built a giant sand castle together, using the truck to haul sand. By the end of the day, Johnny was having the best time ever. He learned that sharing his toys wasn't just about giving them away, but about creating new adventures and making new friends. From that day on, Johnny loved playtime even more because now it was filled with laughter and joy, all thanks to sharing.
If you like this story, please subscribe the channel, like and share it with others. See you in the next video.